Hey friends, thanks for joining us again on SERVi Homestead. So I came out here to clean some ears of corn in the temporary compost pile that eventually I'll let the chickens scratch around in. And I'm leaning up against it, peeling some corn, and something buzzed by my ear. And I don't know what it was, but it made me think, this is wood, and wasps love wood. Let me check. Sure enough. Man, look at those guys. Right under where my arm was. Or that would have been treacherous. Evil doers. Thankfully nothing stung me. I've had a lot of purple martins lately. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're so fun to watch in the evening. You just flutter around constantly. They're great here because they eat mosquitoes in midair. And there are a couple. They're just kind of fun to watch. Oh, look at that. Love at first sight. So this guy is a spare rooster, a buff Orpington. Big guy. And he is destined for the pot. He's out right now temporarily because of all the moving we were doing with the coop. And she is out from the Spangled Hamburgs, who are over there behind the red tractor in their swimming pool wall coop. She's the only one who hasn't had one of her wings clipped. And she's hard to catch. She can fly up in the bushes at night to sleep, and I haven't been able to get my hands on her yet. And he escaped from his temporary dwelling, I think, to be with her. They were really close to each other just now. Sorry guys, I don't think it's gonna work. Garden update. Simeon's cucumber bed that he built and filled and planted is actually doing well. He needs to train them to go up a little bit more. But they look healthy. Lots of yellow flowers on there. It's exciting. But these stinking caterpillars took over the cabbage in a very short time. My wife has been watering them every other day, but this was a busy week, and I think she didn't look at them for a few days. And I came out here yesterday and they were just full of caterpillars. And I must have picked 40 of them off and fed them to the chickens. But the damage was done. And my dad said that once they get to the heart like that, it's not going to make a head. Man, they're just everywhere. I've never seen so many. Look. There's one. There's one. There's one. Gosh. And we did plant these a little bit late, so I think the weather being so warm right now has made the caterpillars more active, and we would have had a more established cabbage head by the time the caterpillars got to them. Even the kohlrabi leaves just decimated. Gosh. Kohlrabi's pretty awesome though. We tried it this year for the first time. It's neat. You cut that ball off, peel off the leaves and stems, and lightly peel it, cut it up. You can eat it raw or cook it. And there we have some bell pepper, and there's the bell pepper. Some random thing we don't know of. We don't know what it is. And I think that's squash and tomatoes. This is butter crunch lettuce that I let go. And I want to see if it's going to make seed that I may be able to save and dry. I think these were snow peas. My wife picked a bunch of pods today. There's one. They're really good. You can just eat them raw. tomatoes. Little ones here. Excited about the tomatoes. We have about 30 plants this year. Here are just a few. Most of them are over there in the big garden with the corn and okra. I'm really excited about it. It's not as heartbreaking when bugs get into a few of them when you have so many planted. You can harvest plenty to eat, and the ones that the bugs get into can just be thrown to the chickens. Hey, thanks for watching SERVi Homestead. Please subscribe and like this video. We depend on your support. Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless.